Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Unbound. To begin your adventure, you'll first need to patch a clean Pokémon Fire Red ROM with the Unbound patch file. Once that's ready, load it into your Game Boy Advance emulator. You'll then customize your character and choose one of 3 powerful pseudo-legendary Pokémon as your starter. A key feature is selecting your difficulty from 4 options, ranging from a relaxed experience to an extreme challenge. This initial setup is crucial for your journey in the Boreas region. As you delve into Pokémon Unbound, you'll discover the captivating Boreas region, which boasts a deep, original storyline. The game is packed with fantastic quality-of-life improvements, making your journey smoother. Imagine having unlimited bag space, an auto-run feature, and a streamlined hidden machine system that removes the need for dedicated HM Pokémon. Plus, there's an extensive mission system with over 80 unique quests, providing plenty of objectives beyond the main story to keep you engaged for many hours. Pokémon Unbound features a custom battle engine that brings modern mechanics, including those from generations 1 through 8 to the classic Game Boy Advance platform. You can collect and train a vast array of Pokémon, spanning from Generation 1 all the way to Generation 7. The game offers 4 distinct difficulty settings: Vanilla, Difficult, Expert, and Insane, which significantly alter trainer teams, wild Pokémon, and battle rules, ensuring a tailored challenge for every player, from casual to hardcore. After conquering the main story, which typically takes around 34 hours, Pokémon Unbound truly opens up with extensive post-game content. You can explore new areas, hunt for legendary Pokémon, and complete many remaining missions. For those seeking the ultimate challenge, the Battle Frontier offers numerous facilities to test your team's strength. With so much to do, a completionist playthrough can easily exceed 222 hours, providing incredible replayability and endless fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.